Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Niharika Malhotra from Rainbow IVF Agra. I'm a practicing OBGYN for the last 15 years. Perimenopause is a transition phase, usually begins around your mid-40s, and this phase can last up from 4 to 8 years. This is the phase where your estrogen and progesterone levels will start fluctuating and your periods will become irregular. Menopause is the phase which comes after perimenopause and there is no periods or absent menstruation here. Perimenopause is a phase which can come with variety of signs. Most commonly in my OPD, women come with hot flushes, suddenly start getting sweating and feeling very hot. So loss of temperature, body temperature control is there. Also another important sign is vaginal dryness. A lot of vaginal itching and vaginal dryness without any infections. And of course irregular periods. Also, you can see a lot of anxiety and sleep disturbances during this phase. I would say yes. Even if your periods are irregular, ovulation can still happen. That is why in this phase we see a lot of unplanned pregnancies. And it is very important to consult your gynecologist and use some safe contraceptive methods during this phase. As we know, there is now fall of estrogen levels in your body, which actually increases the fat accumulation and fat storage in the body, especially around the belly area. So most women start gaining weight around their belly area during the perimenopausal phase. Yes, during perimenopausal phase, a lot of mood changes can be seen, especially anxiety, more prone to depression, night sleep disorders, and even brain fog. You sometimes go completely blank and do not remember anything. All this is because of falling estrogen level. And this is the phase where you have to start concentrating, doing meditation, and doing brain activities so that it will help you control these symptoms. Yes, of course, it's very important to have a good nutrient-rich diet. Make your plate look like a rainbow. Eat different colored foods so that the nutrition balances. Take less amount of carbohydrates and dairy products during this phase because this can cause a lot of indigestion and gaseous problems. Also very important to start doing yoga and meditation for your anxiety and sleep disorders. And we also suggest a lot of cardio strength bearing exercises which will improve your muscle strength and decrease the risk of osteoporosis in this age group. HRT is hormone replacement therapy. Yes, it is very safe but should always be taken under your doctor's prescription. Patients who suffer from a lot of hot flushes, a lot of menopausal and perimenopausal symptoms, especially vaginal dryness, recurrent vaginal infections, they are prescribed HRT, but it should be taken regularly and you should not miss this dose without consulting your doctor. Perimenopausal phase can last from 4 to 8 years. These symptoms will come and go in bouts whenever the fluctuation of hormones happen. And after that, you will start menopause where there will be no periods and you will be in a constant phase. It is very important that after the age of 35 years, you should go for your regular health checkups. As a OBGYN, we recommend yearly checkups every time after 35 years, a pap smear every 3 years, and also a BMD test regularly yearly after 40 years. So when you consult your gynecologist, they will advise you few tests which have to be happened every year. How to remember them? Give yourself a birthday present and do all your complete body checkup on your birthday.